Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the paperless office system using Python. So there are two login page, HR login and employee login. So let's log in with username and password. User can send email new joinee for interview. So let's enter the email ID, subject and the content. So I'm writing the email ID, the demo email ID, subject, new email and the content, hello there, and then click on send button. So it will send email like email sent successfully. Let's open the browser and you can see like there is email with like hello there. Let's close it. Now the second option is manage employee details. Like in that in the left hand side we can search, delete, reset, update and add new. So let's click on add new and you have to enter all those details like serial number, name, phone number, email ID and password, and then click on save button. So it will store the data in database. Let's enter the email ID, new@gmail.com, password. So it will create the new employee. You can see there will be two employees. You can also search through name, ID like XYZ and then click on search button. So it will fetch that particular detail. Let's scroll right and close it and send notification to all employees. If we send notification to all employees, then it will send to that employee login and you can also open through email ID password. So let's check in and check out. This is the employee panel and click on check in, successful, and click on check notification. You can see there is a true notification is there. If we send from the HR login, then it will send to all the employee. Like I'm sent from the employee admin panel and will saw in the like employee panel hello. You can also check with the date and time and close it. This is the send application. Let's check out, successful, and log out. This is the complete project. This project developed using Python programming language and Tkinter library used. Thank you friends for watching my video. If any, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.